Gemini versus ChatGPT is insane. Today I'm going to show you something crazy. ChatGPT just went head to head with Google's Gemini, and the results shocked me. I tested them both on real business tasks: image creation, editing, automation, code. One of them crushed product photos, the other built entire workflows by clicking around your screen. I'm talking about AI that can actually run your marketing. This isn't theory. I ran the tests live, and I'm about to show you which one wins for your business. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now look, AI just changed again. Google dropped a Gemini 2.5 flash image. This thing does multi-image fusion, character consistency, and image editing. That actually works. Then they released Gemini Computer Use. It's an AI that controls your browser and clicks through websites for you. Meanwhile, ChatGPT rolled out GPT-4o improvements, better images, better text rendering, new voice features. So we've got two AI giants, both dropping major updates, both claiming they're the best. But which one actually helps you make money? I ran real tests. Product images for e-commerce, image edits for marketing, character designs for branding, code generation for developers, user interface automation for operations. And I'm about to break down every single result. Let's start with images, because if you're running ads, making content, or selling products, you need visuals fast. I gave both AIs the same prompt. Create a high converting hero image of black wireless headphones on a white background. Add 3 product angle thumbnails, leave space for a headline. Gemini 2.5, flash image crushed this. The lighting looked professional. The product angles were clean. The multi-image fusion worked perfectly. It gave me one main hero shot with 3 smaller product views built right in. Like something you'd see on Apple's website. I could use this in ads right now, no designer needed. ChatGPT's GPT-4o did something different. The main image was good, clean product shot, nice shadows, but here's where it won. The text rendering was perfect. When I added the headline text, it looked crisp, no weird fonts, no blurry letters. ChatGPT is better at putting actual words into images. If you need text overlays for social posts or ads, that matters. So round 1, Gemini wins for multi-image product shots. ChatGPT wins for text in images. Pick based on what you actually need. I tested both tools with this prompt. Generate 5 frames of the same cartoon: mascot, front view, left view, right view, action pose, logo, badge version. Keep all features and colors consistent. This is what a real business needs. Gemini nailed it. All 5 images looked like the same character, same colors, same style, same face. You could actually use this for a brand. Google built Gemini 2.5 specifically for this. They know businesses need consistency. It works. ChatGPT struggled. The character looked different in every image. Colors shifted, style changed. One looked like a cartoon, another looked semi-realistic. If you showed these to a client, they'd ask why you gave them 5 different mascots. Not usable. For branding and character work, Gemini wins, no contest. But let's talk about something ChatGPT does better: copywriting. I asked both tools to write 6 social captions for a product launch. 3 short ones for Twitter, 20 to 40 characters, 3 long ones for LinkedIn, 2 to 3 lines each. This is daily work for marketing teams. ChatGPT understood the assignment immediately. The short captions were punchy, attention-grabbing, ready to post. The LinkedIn captions had personality. They felt human. I'd only edit maybe 1 or 2 words, that's it. ChatGPT is trained on so much written content that it just gets tone and style. It knows what works on each platform. Gemini's captions were okay, but they felt generic, like AI wrote them. You'd need to edit more, rewrite parts, add personality. It's not bad, it's just not as good. For copywriting and content creation, ChatGPT is still the leader. Now here's where it gets wild. I tested both on code generation, because if you're building tools, automating tasks, or running any kind of tech operation, you need code that actually works. I gave them both this prompt. Write a TypeScript function that takes an image URL, uploads it to an S3 bucket, returns a signed URL, and handles retries. ChatGPT gave me code that looked right. Clean structure, good error handling. But when I checked it closely, there were small mistakes. It used one function name that doesn't exist in the AWS SDK. Not a huge error, but you'd have to catch it and fix it. For someone who knows code, that's fine. For someone who doesn't, that's a problem. Gemini's code was more accurate. It used the right AWS SDK methods. Error handling was solid. Retry logic worked. I'd still test it before using it in production. but it was closer to correct out of the box. If you're not a developer and you're trying to automate something, that extra accuracy helps. For coding, both are good. ChatGPT is faster and more conversational. Gemini is slightly more accurate. Pick based on your skill level. Now let's talk about something serious, safety, because these tools are getting more powerful, and with power comes risk. The new ChatGPT updates have some safety regressions, meaning it's more likely to produce harmful content than before. Gemini has safety filters built for business use. Google is more conservative. That's good and bad. Good because you're less likely to get weird outputs. Bad because sometimes it blocks things that are totally fine. ChatGPT is more flexible, but that flexibility comes with risk. You need to decide what your business can tolerate, Mo. Before we keep going, I want to tell you about something that's going to help you make way more money with AI. I'm talking about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Inside, you get access to proven strategies, real case studies, and a community of people actually building with AI, not theory, real results. If you're serious about using AI to grow, this is where you need to be. Link is in the description. Go check it out right now. All right, let's talk speed and cost. Because even if a tool is amazing, if it's too slow or too expensive, you won't use it. I tested both on response time. For simple prompts, they're about the same, fast, a few seconds. For complex tasks like image generation or code, Gemini was slightly faster, not by much, maybe 10 to 15 seconds difference. But when you're running hundreds of tasks, that adds up. Cost is where it gets interesting. Gemini is available through Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. If you're already using Google Cloud, it integrates easily. Pricing is tiered. You can start cheap and scale up. OpenAI's API, lots of third-party integrations, huge ecosystem. If you're using tools like Zapier or Make, ChatGPT probably connects easier. So here's the verdict. Who should use what? If you need advanced image editing, multi-image fusion, consistent characters for branding, or UI automation, use Gemini. It's built for production marketing and operations work. If you're a Google Cloud shop, it's a no-brainer. The computer use feature alone is worth it for ops teams. If I had to rate them on a simple scale, images, Gemini gets 5 stars, ChatGPT gets 4. Text and copy, ChatGPT gets 5 stars, Gemini gets 3. Automation, Gemini gets 5 stars, ChatGPT gets 3. Safety, Gemini gets 4 stars, ChatGPT gets 3. Ecosystem, ChatGPT gets 5 stars. Gemini gets 4. Neither tool is perfect. Both have strengths. Both have gaps. The smartest businesses use both. Now, let me tell you about something that's completely free and will change how you use AI. I'm talking about the AI Money Lab. This is a free community with over 50 AI tools, 200 ChatGPT SEO prompts, and a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads with AI. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You get access to over 1,000 free workflows, and you'll see real case studies from people making money right now. Not fake guru stuff, real results. It's completely free. Link is in the description. Join today. The AI race is heating up. Google and OpenAI are both pushing hard. New features every month, better models every quarter. If you're not testing and adapting, you're falling behind. Your competitors are using these tools right now. They're creating content faster, running ads cheaper, automating operations. You need to keep up. So go test both tools, see what works, and don't just pick based on hype, pick based on results. That's how you win. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.